Is your concrete floor looking worn out or outdated? Before you rip it up, consider this. Concrete grinding is New Zealand's smarter, more sustainable alternative to full floor replacement. Grinding and polishing your existing cement floor transforms it into a modern, bacteria-resistant surface without the mess, waste, or high cost of demolition. It's perfect for homes, offices, showrooms, and even high-traffic spaces like a school, hospital, or warehouse. Why replace when you can restore? Grinding is faster, more energy efficient, and produces minimal waste. You'll save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy a seamless architectural finish that lasts for decades. Polished concrete floors are easy to clean, resist stains, and add real value to your property. Plus, you can customize the look with colors, patterns, or exposed aggregate. Upgrade with concrete grinding, New Zealand's best surface polish solution. Contact NZ Polished Concrete Floors today for a free quote.